We just hit. This is good.
Let's go.
Celery, because I'm going to...
My life, this is my life.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Melva, simply Melva that is, and your girl is back with another video. Yes, I am back with another video. If you are new here, hey girl, hey, please consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's up? Happy Saturday, y'all. I am late as hell. It is 5:54. The meet and greet started at 4:30, but nonetheless, I have made it, so let's go, y'all.
Let's jump like this bitch, boy. We in the club, we ride slow. Ski. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Put in the keys, make that engine hard. 3 in the back, 1 in the passenger. So creepin' cause we
y'all, I am out of the meet and greet, y'all. You was talking about somebody had a time. I am so glad I came, y'all, because I was going back and forth with myself, about to talk myself out of coming, being shy and all of that. Y'all, it was nothing but good vibes. Like, I've been knowing these girls for 10 years. Like, what? Girl, I had a good time. Whoo, child. I'm trying to get these shoes off. That's why y'all see me leaning. So, baby, these heels had to go. Y'all, I met Ponisha. I think, what's her last name? Prescott. I think I said it right. But I met Ponisha, y'all. I am so excited. I'm happy that I was able to meet them girls because I've been watching their channels and been wanting to meet them. And I finally got the opportunity to network with a lot of girls. Girl Vicky. Yes, girl, we exchanged numbers. Child, listen, I am so happy I came, and I am so honored to be around like-minded women. Do you hear me? We all trying to get to the top. So it's like, you know, we understand all the trials and tribulations that come with this YouTube stuff. So yeah, y'all, but Whoo child, I had 2 of them blueberry hennies, and let's just say, girl, it's time to go home to my man. You dig?
Been around the world, it's the same okay. Been around the world, it's the same.
Y'all, so I'm at McDonald's. I'm hungry as hell. I've been doing good, y'all. In the last vlog, I told y'all that me and Joshua are doing like this little health kick thing. I've been, you know, modifying it, but I've been sticking to it, y'all. I've been fasting until 2 p.m. and then I'll drink either a smoothie, eat a salad, something light, and then I'll have like my one big meal of the day. And I've really been sticking to it. Today was day 3. So, yeah, y'all, but all I got from McDonald's is some fries. I know. It's terrible. But I haven't eaten anything since, gosh, I don't even know what time. I think it was like 3 o'clock, maybe even 3:30. And it's 9:19 now. And I just got me a large fry. I'll probably just eat half of it. But, yeah. And I got me a water here. So yeah, y'all, that's what I'm gonna eat on right now, and I'm gonna be headed to the house. Oh child, your girl is tired. I'm tired, sleepy, all that. They went to 50-15, but your girl not gonna make it. So yeah, I'm about to go home, shower, and see what the kiddos are doing. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to pop in, let y'all know what your girl was doing, and yeah, I'll catch y'all whenever I make it to the cribbo. Hey y'all, so I am back at home. I wanted to show y'all what I got in my little thank you gift bag from Miss Drea. That was so sweet of her to give us gift bags. So I got a little journal with the pen. I might hold it. Okay, yeah, I was holding it up wrong. A little journal with the pen. Super cute. I got a rose hand cream. And I got a 24K gold eye mask. That is so sweet. Oh, and one of the girls that I met there at the meet and greet, it says Star Pollyanna. I want to say that's her name, Pollyanna. And this is her card that she gave us. So make sure you check her out. And this is what the back of the card looks like. So yeah, y'all, I had myself a good old time. So now I am about to take this makeup off, child, because I am tired and I am ready to lay it down. Both of the kids are up. Solomon's playing on his tablet in the living room. So, oh yeah, y'all. Oh, goodness. Y'all, look, we just hit 1K subscribers. Hey y'all, so it is later on in the evening and we are about to go to Smoothie King because the good sis Miss Brittany over on Life with Brittany D gave me a suggestion. I think she called it, what was it, dang, strawberry Hulk, maybe?
Strawberry Hulk?
I think, and I know she said to substitute the ice cream for yogurt, so I'm gonna go and try that because earlier today, I fasted, like I told y'all, I fasted until 2 p.m. I ate watermelon and pistachios till I was basically full, and then I got hungry, and I told y'all I eat one big meal a day, and I ate 2 sausage on a stick, which is I was feeding Jamarie, so I really didn't eat the whole 2 sausage on a stick. But that, to me, I'm trying to stay kind of disciplined because I know me. I'll just cut the shit off high and dry and just eat the way I want to eat. So I'm trying to stay disciplined. So basically, my smoothie is going to be my dinner. It is 5:05, so yeah, my smoothie is going to be my dinner for tonight. So yeah, y'all. Your girl is rocking and rolling with it. Here. Uh-oh, Papa Solomon. Move. Let him go. Okay. All right, y'all. So let's go.
I got you these chips too, y'all.
Okay. All right, y'all. Josh got the barbecue flavor of, what is this? Kettle style potato chips, avocado oil, barbecue flavor. So let's try one. Child, was probably $5 for this bag. Oh yeah, good. Them real good. Now I'm about to try out the strawberry hump with the substitution of frozen yogurt instead of ice cream.
Good.
Yes, those are good.
I do want to.
Child, hold on, Brick.
Is it good?
OMG.
It's good?
This is good.
Uh-oh.
This is good.
Let's go.
Oh,
Can I have a nerd chip day?
OMG.
Daddy.
Thank you, girl, because this is my new fave, child. I feel like I would drink this in the morning for breakfast because that's what I get as soon as I taste it, like the strawberry and the banana. I think it got banana in there because I taste it. But this is really good. Thank you, girl. Hurry up and buy. So we are back at home. Previously, y'all saw us at Walmart picking up a few things. I got some celery because I'm going to be eating celery and peanut butter for a snack. I got some strawberry and blueberry blend. And I also got this little picnic tasting board with apple slices, pretzels, pepper jack cheese, cheddar cheese, turkey bites, and caramel dip. I won't be indulging on the caramel dip, but I'll do the apples and the pretzels and probably the cheese, maybe. I also got some sweet cherries. I also got these Popcorners white cheddar flavor little chips. I feel like this will be a better alternative versus eating like regular Doritos and Lay's potato chips and stuff like that. So, and these are pretty good, y'all. Look, like, yeah, they be scamming because it ain't much in there, but yeah, they look like this and they are so good. Hey y'all, happy Monday. I am in the kitchen cooking Solomon some brunch because, child, it is 1 o'clock. He just woke up probably like 30 minutes ago. It's the summertime. I just let him sleep until he wakes up. Unless we have something planned, then I'll wake him up. But other than that, baby, he gonna sleep until he wake up. So I'm about to make him some brunch. Let me see. I'll probably do Marie some scrambled eggs and let him eat a little bit of the waffles. Y'all, I wanted to do like not a photo shoot, but like go take some pictures for my milestone of reaching 1K. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get to it today. I'm not sure, but if I do, Y'all probably see it on the next vlog because I have to edit this one. But yeah, y'all, I just want to say thank you guys for all the love and the support that y'all are showing your girl, because y'all are showing out, baby. Showing out. Do you hear me? So I do thank everybody and welcome to the new subscribers. I know you'll love it here. We keep it one thou wow on this side of the street. So yeah, y'all. But I'm about to put my tunes on and cook up this breakfast real fast. And yeah, y'all. Yeah. Y'all, I've been getting into the short form content. I've been making shorts every chance that I get. So I'm about to make a short of this breakfast. This is what it looks like. I'm about to, hold on y'all. I'm about to film myself basically pouring the syrup on his waffle. Like something a little, you know, trying to jazz it up a little bit. But you'll be surprised how much support and like subscribers and stuff you get for posting those shorts. So don't sleep, sis. If you're not posting shorts, sis, you need to go ahead and get to it. So anyway, let me go ahead and do what I gotta do real quick. So I'm just going to end the vlog off here because I really don't have much of nothing else going on for today. So if you made it to this point of the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. It helped me out a lot. And if you haven't already joined the Melrose gang, go ahead and hit that subscribe button like right now. And as always, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
My life.